Best greetings of the time to all of you. I am Mr. Shashikant B. Gosavi, presenting in front of you an online educational resource on the topic of Introduction to Lean Constructions. The learning outcome of this session is that the learners will be able to recognize the core principles of lean construction, identify and reduce wastages in construction, and the learner will be able to explore lean construction methods and tools. A beautiful sketch is presented in front of you which shows the triangle of project management consisting of quality, cost and time. All of us are quite aware about this particular distinct triangle. The tools that we are going to learn in lean management will be actually supporting this particular triangle at a larger extent. On the left hand side you can see just in time. The other one is TAKT time or pull flow, and in addition to that at the bottom you will find production leveling. On the right hand side you can find act on abnormality, man-machine separation and standard working. At the bottom or the footing you can see there are continual improvement tools such as 5S and Kaizen. The stability or robustness is expected to be within the range of 1:3 and 3:1 in terms of these 5S and Kaizen taken together. Let's go into the gimmick of what exactly is lean management about, and let us try and understand the definition. It is a systematic approach. Please try and understand. The prime objective of this particular approach is to maximize value and minimize waste, which are most often ignored. This can be done by improving efficiency, collaboration and continuous improvement. So the definition is consisting of all these terminologies combined together, which is of course a management technique. Key aspects of lean construction consists of the elimination of waste. We have three interesting terminologies. One is MUDA, other one is MURA and third one is MURI. These terminologies have come from Toyota manufacturing lean process. The MUDA will be focusing on wastage reduction, as well as MURA will be doing it just to ensure that uniformity will be everywhere, and MURI, the last one, will be focusing on ensuring that excessive work will not be extracted neither from the machine or from labor, thereby balancing the overall situation. So reducing inefficiencies such as delays, material wastages, excess labor and rework is possible if we can follow the principles of elimination of waste. Value maximization is another important key aspect of lean constructions. It is focusing on delivering what the client truly values with minimal resource wastage. Whatever is the customer demand, that has to be satisfied, which is what we call as the quality. And therefore value maximization should be a motive of any manager. The continuous improvement process or Kaizen is a philosophy of keeping yourself on toes throughout the management process for encouraging iterative improvement and learning from past projects. So PDCA cycle keeps on rotating, where planning, doing, checking and acting will be done to continue this particular cycle. There are few more key aspects such as pull based scheduling. using demand-driven planning methods such as last planner system to ensure work is performed efficiently. Integrated project delivery promotes shared responsibilities among all project participants to improve outcomes. Earlier we have learnt about quality circle, one of the prominent management tool in which most of the people are taken in consideration and their suggestions are valued. The remaining key aspects of lean construction involve collaboration and teamwork. Integrating all the stakeholders. In most of the construction project we have a client, we have a contractor who is a performer, we have a designer or architect, we have suppliers. So all these stakeholders will have to be oriented in same direction to get best out of the project. Just in time construction definitely has found to be cost saving as well as time saving. Delivering material and all the resources exactly when needed to prevent excess inventory and storage issues is one of the basic of just-in-time construction. We can see the difference between traditional construction and lean construction in the following table. You can see the aspects are project planning, waste management, work scheduling, collaboration, decision making and focus. All these aspects are there in traditional construction as well as in lean construction, which we call now as the modern construction methodology. In traditional construction, project planning was relatively rigid and sequential, while in lean construction we can have flexibility. In waste management aspect, if we will see, traditional techniques were having high material wastages, while lean construction focuses on minimizing the waste. The work scheduling aspect is seen to be push-based or fixed one, while in lean construction we find that it is pull-based or demand-based. In collaboration aspect, if we will see, it is siloed or fragmented, while in case of the lean construction we do have it as integrated and team-based. Decision making, which is one of the most important function of the management, was hierarchical in case of the traditional construction, while in case of the lean construction we can find that it is collaborative and decentralized and therefore more effective. In focus aspect, if we will see, the completing task was a motive of traditional construction, while in lean construction the focus is on maximizing the values demanded by the customer. What are the benefits of lean construction? Obviously, the soul of lean construction lies in waste reduction, and therefore the various lean techniques, out of that the first one is LPS, that is last planner system, can reduce wastage of wetting, mura or overproduction, while in case of the implementation in construction industry in particular, collaborative scheduling is used to align workflows. The other tool is value stream mapping of lean techniques, which reduces the wastages in defects or overprocessing, while in case of the construction industry we can easily find its application in identifying inefficiencies in the process flow. In 5S methodologies, we can easily understand the abbreviations of each S as sort, set, shine, standardize and sustain. Please remember this. In the waste reduction, motions are reduced, wetting is reduced and inventory is reduced, while in case of the construction industry these particular things help us in organizing workspace and efficient tool placements. In just-in technique delivery, you can see that the waste reduced is in inventory and in transportation, while in case of the construction industry, material delivery based and actual need is taken care in case of lean construction. The standardization of work process or Mura operations is another important aspect of uniformity in case of the lean construction techniques. The lean benefits also have specific relevance in prefabrication and modular construction. Waste reduced is regarding over processing, waiting or defects, while in case of the construction industry, pre-built component of precast or prefabricated constructions reduces on-site inefficiencies. A buzzword in today's era, that is building information modeling, is also a part of the lean constructions where waste reduces are in terms of the defects, over processing, which is a part of the Mura, while in construction industry we can easily find that the defects, design conflicts before construction are already identified. Integrated project delivery is another waste reduction in Mura as well as Muri, where overproduction is emphasized, while in case of the construction industry we can easily find that it happens through the collaboration between stakeholders and for optimized efforts by all stakeholders. This particular online educational resource I have prepared by referring to the eminent resources by Luis Alarcon of Lean Construction, a builder's guide to applying the Lean Builder, which is presented by Joe and Kayan, while the last resource, creating a lean culture, tool to sustain lean conversions, has been brought with the help of David Mann in 2014. Thank you very much for patient listening to this online educational resource. See you soon.